What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chris coming back with another update. This is going to be part 2 of the last update that I made. I have a new camera, so just bear with me. I picked me up a DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Let me see if I can show you guys the case. So I picked me up a DJI Osmo Pocket 2 with the gimbal, so hopefully the footage is more smooth because I have a gimbal now. So today's video, the packages for the car parts came in, so I'm just going to show you guys everything that I ordered. Hopefully this week I can get everything installed. It's supposed to storm all week, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get it installed, but hopefully I can get some of it installed. So let me go ahead and flip the camera and show you guys. Down here we have the boxes that I ordered. So right here is the brake pads. These are the front, I believe. So these are the front brake pads. Ceramic. Do not buy, y'all see that's a ceramic. Do not buy the bullshit ass semi-metallic because you will have brake dust everywhere. These should be the red brake pads. So yeah, these are the smaller brake pads. So these are the rear brake pads, and they come with the hardware, the shims. If you don't have the hardware, the fronts did not come with any. So I'm just going to reuse the shims for the front if they're not too damaged. If they are, then I'll just run a Home Depot. I mean, not Home Depot, I'll run an AutoZone and just grab some hardware for the fronts. That's all for that box. This is the box that came in today. So let me grab a knife. And bear with me, guys, because I just got this camera and I don't know how to work it. So just bear with me. Let's go ahead and open this up. Trying to do it with one hand. If you guys like this footage with the Osmo Pocket 2, comment down below and let me know. So I did get all this stuff off rockauto.com. Like I said in the last video, everything was just way cheaper than just way cheaper on Rock Auto. So right here, I guess this box looked horrible, but I guess this box is, let me see if I can open this with one hand. This is the, I think this is the motor mount. So, let's see if I can do this with one hand without cutting myself. Come on, box. So this is the motor mount right here. The hydraulic motor mount. So it basically just slides up in there like that. Hold on. There we go. Just slides up in there like that. There's a plate that sits on the bottom, and It's a plate that sits on the bottom, and then that screws into the car. So this is the motor mount right here. Go ahead and put that back in the box. Put that over there. Get this box out right here. So right here, these are your upper control arms, and they do come with the bushings already installed. So basically, the bushings, the ball joint bushings are bad, but you have to order the entire A-arm or upper control arm. So I had to get 2 of them for both sides. So that might be the left side. And this one right here, push that over there. This one right here should be the right side. So we got the left side and we got the right side. And like I said, the bushings already installed and pressed in there because you can't replace those separately. Only the lower control arm bushings are able to be pressed out and pressed back in. So I'm going to show you how much I paid for everything. Right now we're just missing, let me see if I can flip the camera. So right now we just missing the rotors. So I have to order the rotors, and that will probably just be everything that I need. So hopefully this week it's not thunderstorming all week and I'm able to get these parts on the car so we can go ahead and run it back through inspection and pass inspection. If not, I may have to drop it off at the shop and get the shop to install them, and then we just going to have to run it through inspection. So let me get everything situated so I can show you guys how much I paid for everything. Alright YouTube, alright guys, so I was trying to get the paperwork and show you guys how much everything costs, but on the paperwork it just shows you everything that I ordered. It don't have a price. So unfortunately I'm not able to show you guys how much I paid for everything, but it was under 200 bucks. The brakes and the rotors plus shipping cost me like probably 40 something bucks. The upper control arms and the motor mount cost me $96, so roughly around $150, $160 for everything, and I just have to get the rotors. So the rotors probably cost me another $120 for front and back. So let's just say everything was under 400 bucks. And I'll be showing you guys when the rotors come in. I haven't ordered them yet just because I got bills, and the rotors not on the list yet. So I can't show you guys how much it costs, but sorry, my alarm keeps going off. Can't show you guys how much it costs, but like I said, everything was under 200 bucks. So if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I will have more content dropping. Like I said, I got this new camera, so I'm going to go ahead and test it out. If you liked the video, hit the like. If you didn't, then you don't have to watch. Hit the thumbs down. If you have any questions, go ahead below and drop a comment, and I try to get back to all my comments. Unless it's just a stupid ass comment, then I just ignore it. But if you like the video, thanks for watching. I see you guys in the next one. Peace.